In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in QuickBooks. We'll walk through creating a polished branded invoice template so your bills look professional and clear every time. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in. Look to the top right of the screen for the small gear icon which opens your settings. Click that gear, then in the Your Company section, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where all your invoice templates live. Select New Style, and then choose Invoice. QuickBooks will open the invoice editor with three main areas to adjust: design, content, and email. Start on the design tab to shape the overall look. Upload a clean version of your logo, ideally a PNG with a transparent background so it sits nicely on the page. Pick an accent color that matches your brand. Subtle, high contrast colors tend to print better and are easier to read on screen. Choose fonts that balance personality with legibility and avoid very thin or ornate typefaces for key details. Adjust margins if your logo or footer feels cramped, and use the preview on the right to make sure nothing is getting cut off. Keep white space in mind. A little breathing room makes totals and due dates stand out. Next, switch to the Content tab to control what information appears. In the header area, confirm your business details are correct and aligned the way you like. If you need to track specific info, add custom fields such as a purchase order number or project name, and rename labels to match the terms your customers recognize. In the table or body section, choose which columns to display, like product or service, description, quantity, rate, and amount. You can turn on fields such as shipping or project tracking if they're relevant to your workflow, and you can adjust labels so they're crystal clear. In the footer, add a friendly thank you note, list payment terms, and include any brief instructions customers need to complete payment. Keep it concise so the totals remain the focus. Then move to the Email tab. Personalize the subject line so it's recognizable at a glance, and write a short professional message that sets expectations, such as the due date and a polite call to action. Keep the tone consistent with your brand and avoid overloading the email with details that are already on the invoice. When everything looks right, click Done to save your style. Your customized invoice is now ready to use, and you can always return to custom form styles to edit or duplicate it as your branding evolves.